Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Strictly in principle, this rickshaw is designed and created especially to shuttle women passengers, to create a safe environment, to ensure that their safety is taken care of. Tinka matlar the environment at which they have to travel should feel safe, and with this initiative Magadista we will send a very strong message all across the state of Goa. And amudamud sangu sutta ki this is a first of its kind in the entire country, and I am happy to say that it's starting in Goa, and most importantly starting in my constituency of Mapsa. Sachin Mense has been instrumental in this entire activity. Maka sangla tashe, since the month of April he has been following up and trying to get this entire thing organized, and here we can see within a couple of months tene eyes muddamud amka afayla to launch this product for the citizens of Mapsa.
Rotary Pink Auto app, wherein the bookings could be taken from the app, and normally what happens is that from a normal app, the booking does, and some amount of some person goes to the booking agent. Herein we won't be doing that. Whatever the booking done, entire amount will go to the auto operator. This initiative is from Rotary. As our MLA said, in the first 20 autos we have looking for, and first lot of 20 autos will be launched soon. And this is in association with EDC. EDC, our Honorable CM has helped us a lot in this, getting the financial from easy financials from EDC.
आम्ही पहिले की खूपशा गजाली रोटरी क्लब करतात, पण वुमन एम्पॉवरमेंट जे आसा पिंक ऑटो दिवन त्यांच्यानी जी केल्या, ही जी चळवळ सुरू केल्या ही फुडें चालूच उरतली. आणि म्हाका खूप आनंद आसा की फर्स्ट हांव बाबा गाडी चलयतलें, आणि थ्रू म्हाज्या माध्यमांतल्यान जी बाकीची बायलां आसा तांकांय चान्स मेळटलो आणि तांकां शिकोवपाचें कार्य हांव करतलें. सो म्हाका एक आनंद आसा की थ्रू दादले शिकोवण्यापेक्षा जर बायलांक शिकय रिक्षा कशी चलोवपाची जाल्यार तांकां इजी जातलें. त्याच बरोबर जे कितें आमी स्कुलाची आमची जी भुरगीं आसात तांकां आयज खंय तरी भाडें थोड्या पेरंट्सांक सुबेज पडटा, सो ते कशें कमी करपाचें, कारण ही इलेक्ट्रीक असल्या कारणान पयलीं पोल्युशन जावचें ना, आमची सिटी सुद्दां क्लीन उरतली. जितके आयज पयलें आसतलें तुमी खूब पोल्युशन जाता, तर एक पाऊल फुडें अशें घेवन जर एकट्यान सुरवात केली जाल्यार फुडें अशें खुबशी सुरवात जातली आणि बायलांक आनीक पावर येतली की बाबा चला. इवन समजा 7 उपरांत सुद्दां जर खंय वचपाचें जालें तरी बस स्टँडाचेर एक सुद्दां गाडी नासता, त्या टायमार सुद्दां आमी जर तांकां पिंक ऑटोन व्हरता जाल्यार तेंचे सेफ्टी खातीर सो तांकां बरें दिसतलें.